To use the GoFit and GoFit Plus Backless Booster for your child, ensure they are at least 4 years old and weigh between 40 and 110 pounds. They must be 38 to 57 inches tall, and the child must sit relatively still in the same seated position throughout the car ride. To install the GoFit and GoFit Plus Backless Booster, first locate and remove the shoulder positioning clip and strap from under the booster seat. Place the booster seat onto the vehicle seat. If you have a GoFit Plus model equipped with latch connectors, pull the latch release handle and pull out both latch connectors. Locate the latch lower anchor bars in your vehicle. Attach both latch connectors to the vehicle lower anchor bars. Pull on the latch tightening strap and push back on the seat bottom to snug up the booster seat to the vehicle seat back. Place the child into the booster seat, making sure the child is sitting with his or her back against the vehicle seat back. Route the lap belt under the first armrest across the child's thighs, then route the shoulder belt and the lap belt under the second armrest closest to the vehicle buckle. Buckle the seat belt. The lap shoulder belt must be under both armrests. Slide the vehicle shoulder belt through the shoulder positioning clip. Pull the clip up or down to adjust the shoulder positioning clip to be at the child's shoulder. Readjust the location of the clip to ensure the seat belt lays flat and snug across the child's chest and does not rub on the neck, and the lap belt lays flat and snug across the child's thighs.